5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. India is becoming an exporter of many things, and this transformation is not accidental. It is the result of sustained efforts in policy making, industrial development, human resource training, and a long-term vision of building a globally competitive economy. Over the last few decades, India has made steady progress in expanding the range of its exports. From being a primarily agriculture-based economy that depended heavily on imports for many of its needs, India has evolved into a hub for manufacturing, services, and high-value goods. This change has altered the global perception of the country and has provided it with a stronger position in the international economic landscape. One of the key areas where India has emerged as a significant exporter is in the field of information technology and software services. Indian companies have earned a strong reputation for providing cost-effective and high-quality software solutions to clients across the globe. The success of this sector is supported by a vast pool of skilled professionals who are proficient in coding, software design, testing, and maintenance. These professionals work in organizations that often serve some of the largest corporations in the world. As a result, the contribution of the software services sector to India's export earnings has been steadily rising. In addition to information technology, India is also gaining recognition as an exporter of pharmaceuticals and medical products. Indian pharmaceutical companies have built a global presence by producing generic medicines at affordable prices. These products meet international quality standards and are exported to several countries in Africa, Asia, Europe, and the Americas. The ability of Indian pharmaceutical firms to reverse engineer complex drugs and manufacture them at a fraction of the original cost has given them a strong competitive edge. In recent years, the demand for Indian vaccines and medical equipment has also increased, further adding to the country's export portfolio. Agricultural and food products have traditionally formed a part of India's export base. However, the range and quality of these exports have improved considerably. Today, India exports a variety of agricultural goods such as rice, spices, tea, coffee, and fruits. These products are not only sold in raw form, but are also processed and packaged in ways that enhance their appeal in international markets. Indian basmati rice, for instance, has gained widespread popularity for its unique aroma and long grains. Similarly, Indian spices are known for their rich flavor and have found a stable demand in global kitchens and food industries. Textiles and garments represent another area where India has established itself as an important exporter. The country has a long tradition of producing high-quality fabrics and handcrafted items. Over the years, the industry has modernized with the introduction of new technologies, better infrastructure, and skilled manpower. Today, India exports a wide variety of textile products including cotton garments, woolen clothes, silk fabrics, and synthetic blends. These products cater to the fashion needs of people across different continents. Moreover, Indian handicrafts, embroidery, and traditional garments like saris and shawls are appreciated for their artistry and are exported in significant quantities. India has also made progress in becoming a major exporter of automobiles and automobile components. Indian automobile manufacturers have expanded their footprint in various global markets by producing vehicles that are durable, efficient, and reasonably priced. Compact cars made in India are especially popular in developing countries. Along with vehicles, the export of auto parts such as engines, gearboxes, brakes, and electronic systems has also increased. This success can be attributed to India's robust manufacturing capabilities and a network of suppliers who meet international standards of quality and safety. Engineering goods form yet another important segment of India's exports. This category includes a wide range of products such as industrial machinery, electrical equipment, construction tools, and transport systems. These goods are used in infrastructure projects, energy plants, factories, and commercial establishments across the world. Indian engineering firms have developed expertise in precision manufacturing and innovation, which has helped them gain the trust of foreign buyers. The steady demand for Indian engineering goods is a sign of the country's growing competence in producing complex and reliable equipment. India's renewable energy sector is also beginning to show potential as an export-oriented industry. With increasing focus on clean energy, Indian companies are manufacturing solar panels, wind turbines, and related components for export. These products are being sent to countries that are looking for affordable and sustainable energy solutions. Indian expertise in designing and implementing large-scale solar projects is also being sought by other nations, opening up avenues for exporting not just goods but services as well. One cannot overlook the growing presence of Indian products in the electronics and technology space. Although India still imports a large quantity of electronic components, efforts are being made to boost domestic production and export of items such as mobile phones, computer accessories, semiconductors, and consumer electronics. Government initiatives aimed at encouraging local manufacturing have started to yield results, and Indian-made electronic products are finding their way into global markets. India's service exports go beyond software and technology. The country is also a leader in knowledge-based services such as financial analysis, legal consulting, research, and customer support. Many international firms rely on Indian service providers for back-office operations, data processing, and remote assistance. This has created a huge service economy that contributes significantly to export revenue. The high level of English proficiency and the availability of educated talent have played a critical role in the success of these services. People from various countries travel to India to receive affordable and high-quality medical treatment. Similarly, students from neighboring countries and even from distant regions choose Indian institutions for higher education. These activities, while not traditional exports, are categorized as service exports and contribute meaningfully to the economy. India's cultural exports have also found a niche in the global market. Indian films, music, yoga, and traditional wellness practices have gained widespread popularity. Film industries in India produce movies that are distributed internationally, contributing to both cultural exchange and economic gain. Stop.